One day, a wise man roamed around the market. He saw a kebab seller beating a lean man who was in rags. The people had surrounded the two, but no one was trying to intervene. The wise man tore in through the crowd and asked,
"Man, why are you thrashing this poor beggarly guy?"
Kebab seller replied,
"Poor guy! This man is a flavor thief."
"Flavor thief?"
the wise man exclaimed. Kebab seller explained,
"Yes, sir. This beggar brought some slices of bread from somewhere and toasted them on my oven. During toasting, the bread soaked in the flavor of my kebabs, and he ate the flavor-filled toasts with relish. Now he is refusing to pay for the flavor of kebabs. That's the matter."
The wise man spoke.
"That is very dishonest of him."
Then he turned to the beggar to say,
"You must pay for the flavor of the kebabs. Give me the money you have."
The poor beggar handed the wise man whatever coins he had. The kebab seller was pleased with himself for cleverly making money out of nothing.
"Turn your ear to me,"
the wise man said to kebab seller. He did as he was asked to do. The wise man cupped his hands with the coins inside and shook it, making a jingling sound near the kebab seller's ear.
"How's that sound?"
Kebab seller said.
"Sweet music of money."
"That's it,"
the wise man said, and returned the coins to the beggar, saying,
"You can go."
"Hey! That's not fair."
Kebab seller complained.
"I must get my money. Do some justice."
The wise man announced,
"The justice has been done. He used the flavor of your kebabs, and you enjoyed the sound of his coins."
Moral: every crook meets a better one sooner or later.